This is 5.
Yeah, good boy. And this one?
2. 2.
Now you count them properly.
1, 2, 3. 2.
No, that's a 3.
3.
What are these ones?
Teddy bears.
Count them.
1, 2.
So what's that then?
2.
Good boy.
1,
And this one?
2,
You
3.
count that one for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good boy. You count for me, Eamon. 1. Pussycat, yes. Pilchard. You count for me, Eamon. 1, 2, 3. And this one, Angus? 1, 2.